G'day and welcome to my garage. I'm machining the boring bar down to size. I've centered drilled both ends of this bar, and I'm proceeding to machine it. Now the bar is 15 inches long, if I recall, and I can only machine about half of that, I think it is. So it'll be a two-stage operation. Yeah, not the way I would like it, but hey, beggars. I haven't got a bigger machine, so this will have to do. Well, it stopped. See, there's a blank low piece in there, but I don't want to take it any, make it any smaller. So we'll see what's happening here. What have we got there? About 627. Yeah, 621. 26. So it's wider. Okay, I'll need to sort that one out. It's 2 or 3 thou wider over the 5 inches. So if it's getting wider, it means that's closer on an angle. I need to sort that one out. Alright, bring you back later. I'm just running these bearings in at the moment. could be an argument made that if I let that run with the weight of the drill, it's going to go one way, but then when it gets hooked up to the counter shaft, it's going to go the other way. So maybe I should turn this on its side. Yeah, got a lot of rubbish. I've got to check that shaft again. There's just a little bit of tightness where I had to machine it in two. Because I can't get the whole thing in my lathe, I had to machine about 3/4 of it, and then turn it around and try and flow in the other side. Looks like I might be half a thou out or something. There's a little bit of play in that. I'll take out a shim and see how that goes. Just getting ready to clean up a shaft for the boring bar. I may have footage somewhere, presented footage somewhere for the boring bar, but that messed up. That was being machined down too far, and I was afraid the bushings wouldn't close up enough to do the job. So I've hunted around and I've found a piece of material that will work. A little bit of play there, but that's okay because it gets, well, the other bushes are split. So I've just got to clean this bar up. It's a lot shorter than it should be. It should be about, I can't remember now, 15 inches. 300 and, what was the size? That was the size. It's a bit shorter, but I don't have to machine it. Well, I just got to clean it up. So that's what I'll do. So I've made two collars, set screw collars. That's stop the shaft from floating, because the boring bar in the spindle head boring process, the boring bar can't move laterally in the quill support. So hence the two stops. But it'll rotate, of course. And the boring process is done by the travel of the carriage, regardless of the angle of this. It's it will bore the spindle head true to the carriage, or the alignment of the spindle head to the carriage. So I'm in that process now. So I've made the two set screw collars, and I'm in the process of squaring up, or drilling a square hole for a 1/4 inch, or roughly 6.3 mil lathe tool. So that's the process at the moment, making this hole square. A little bit slow, but it's working. Not a problem. Okay. You wouldn't want to watch too much of that. I'll tell you what, you wouldn't want to do too much of it either. It's hard yakka. Just tapping the hole for the boring bar bit. So they become hard, they're slippy, I should say. Okay, I'll have to take this out and do it in the vise. Alright, I'll take it out and do it in the vise.